Very clear that the model of winner takes it all when it comes to presidential election need to be abolished, a possible pointer to their support for a constitutional review. Kevin Ogutu for KTN News at Kango Kajaramogi in Bondo, Siaya County.
Elsewhere, controversial lawyer come politician Miguna got a major reprieve after a Nairobi court ruled that the state violated his right by deporting him to Canada. Justice Chacha Mwita said the actions taken by Interior CS Matiang'i and other state officials amounted to abuse of office and ordered that the government pays Miguna 7 million as damages. But as KTN's Brian Obuya reports, his return may not be guaranteed yet.
Justice Chacha Mwita has ordered the state to pay Miguna 7 million for the continued violation of his rights and fundamental freedoms. Further in his ruling, Justice Mwita indicts Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i and other state officials for abusing the powers of their respective offices in deporting the lawyer who is still thousands of miles away in Canada.
The citizenship by birth will not change despite the country adopting a new constitution.
In order to deter future violations, the court has ruled that Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i and Immigration Principal Secretary Kihalangwa to personally pay the damages and costs resultant of the case. Mwita says taxpayers should not shoulder costs of violations by overzealous state officers. The court also ordered the state to return Miguna's passport since it was unlawfully confiscated.
You know, in court, it is a very interesting situation. I love it. All the money I've made in my life, I've made in court.
Miguna has also been awarded a further 207,000 in damages to his house. The controversial and fiery lawyer was seeking to be compensated up to a tune of 274,000 for destruction caused on his house. Mwita said the damages issued to Miguna will act as a deterrent to similar violations of the law. It was after Raila Odinga's mock swearing in that saw self-declared general arrested, detained, and eventually deported for what the state said was taking part in the swearing-in ceremony. But what has never sunk to be understood by Kenyans is why the state arrested the lawyer who commissioned the oath and not the man who took the oath, Raila Odinga. The government claimed that the lawyer with the same name twice is a Canadian national, arguing he never reapplied for his Kenyan citizenship after the promulgation of the 2010 Constitution. But what the state has never made clear is how the author of peeling back the mask was cleared to vie for Nairobi gubernatorial seat, which among many other requirements seeks that one must be a Kenyan citizen.
The respondent may not like the petition. They may not even like his abrasiveness, what he says or how he says it. They have a constitutional duty to respect and protect his rights and a fundamental freedom.
During the circus around Miguna's deportation, Fred Matiang'i and Kihalangwa, whom the court has since termed as overzealous, disobeyed court orders which demanded they appear